So, hello students and welcome again to my channel FiSci. Uh, Today we are going to discuss another differential equation problem, and I have chosen this problem which is called the Bernoulli equation. Okay, so this is the Bernoulli equation. Okay, this is the first derivative of y, and p and q are just the functions of x, or they are constant. Okay, as the name suggests, this differential equation was given by Jacob Bernoulli. He was a Swiss mathematician and a physicist. Okay, we are also familiar with some other works of Jacob Bernoulli, namely, the very famous the Bernoulli's theorem in fluid dynamics. Okay, so we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so how we may proceed. Okay, now we know that there is a kind of differential equation, dy upon dx plus py is equal to q, which is called a linear differential equation. Okay, a linear differential equation. Okay, here also p and q are the function of x, or they are constant. Okay, the solution of this type of equation, let me name it this equation number 1 and this equation number 2. Okay, the solution of this type of differential equation is given by if, which is called integrating factor into y, is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the solution of this type of a linear differential equation. Okay, and here the integrating factor is given by e raised to power p dx. Okay, now to solve Bernoulli's equation, we will convert this equation by suitable transformation, applying suitable transformation to a to an equation like this. Okay, so we will try to transform this equation into this equation, and then we can apply this formula to get the solutions. Okay, to do this, let z is equal to y raised to power 1 minus n. Okay, let z is equal to y raised to power 1 minus n. Differentiating this, let's say it is equation number 3. Differentiating 3 with respect to x, okay, then it will become dz by dx. I'm sorry, dz by dx is equal to 1 minus n y raised to power 1 minus n minus 1. Okay, and then again dy by dx. Okay, so this will become dz by dx is equal to 1 minus n. Okay, then y raised to power minus n, because 1 and 1 can cancel out, and then dy by dx, and I name it equation number 4. Okay, now we will put equation number 4 in equation number 1, the Bernoulli equation. Okay, so but first let us multiply equation 1, the Bernoulli equation, by 1 minus n into y raised to power minus n. Okay, okay, we will multiply the left hand side and the right hand side of equation number 1 by this factor. Okay, and then I will put and then put 4 in equation 1. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so we have the equation dy by dx plus py is equal to qy raised to power n. Okay, now multiplying this whole equation by 1 minus n each term, then dy upon dx plus 1 minus n y raised to power minus n, then p, then y is equal to q y n and 1 minus n and y raised to power minus n. Okay, okay. Now if we see equation number 4, this is equal to dz by dx. Okay, this is equal to dz by dx. Okay, so I can write this as dz upon dx plus 1 minus n. This is y raised to power minus n and this is y raised to power 1. So I can write y raised to power minus n plus 1. Okay, and finally this this is y raised to power n, this is y raised to minus n, then this can be cancelled out and it will become 1 minus n into q. Okay, now I can simplify this equation like this: 1 minus n. Okay, and then y raised to power 1 minus n is equal to q into 1 minus n. Okay, now this y raised to power 1 minus n is equal to z. Okay, so dz by dx plus, oh sorry, I forgot to write p is also here. Okay, it will be equal to 1 minus n into p and then z is equal to q and then 1 minus n. So if I compare this equation with this equation, this is equation number 2, we have just changed the variables. Okay, the p becomes 1 minus n into p, so it is okay. Okay, and then here also n is just a number, and with q we also have a factor which is which is just a constant. So now I can easily apply this method to solve this equation, and then finally I convert the z into this y raised to power 1 minus n. In this equation I can convert from using this equation I can convert the z variable to y variable, and we will finally get the answer. Okay, the solution, the final solution of the differential equation, which is called the Bernoulli differential equation. Okay, now there are many examples on this particular equation. For example, I'm not going to solve this equation. You can do it on your own. Okay, because you just need to learn the methodology. Other things are straight and easy. So this is a kind of equation: y is equal to x, so y raised to power 2 by 3. Okay, so this is a type of Bernoulli differential equation. Here we can see we have, if I compare this equation with this equation, this the general equation, let's write it again: py is equal to q y raised to power n. Okay, this is the general form of Bernoulli's equation. If I compare these two equations, we have p is equal to, in this equation, let's name it so 5 and this 6. Okay, if I compare this equation with this, we have p is equal to 1. Okay, and then q is equal to x. Okay, q is equal to x. Q can be a function of x. Okay, so we need not to worry. And then we have n is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now we have very easy situation. Z is equal to let z is equal to, we always suppose z is equal to y raised to power 1 minus n. So it will become y raised to power 1 minus n is 2 by 3, and it will be equal to y raised to power 1 by 3. Okay, y raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. Differentiating this with respect to x, it will go 1 by 3 y raised to power 1 by 3 minus 1, and then dy by dx. Okay, so dz by dx is equal to, this will become 1 by 3 y raised to power minus 2 by 3. Okay, and then dy by dx. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to 3, and then y raised to power 2 by 3, and then dz by dx. Okay, let's name it equation number 7, and this is 8. Okay, so putting putting 7 and 8 in 6, if I put equation number 7 and 8 in 6, then I'll get, I am skipping the steps, so you can solve the steps. It's very easy. So the final equation becomes dz by dx, and then plus 1 by 3 y raised to power 1 by 3, sorry, y raised to power 1 by 3 is equal to z, so I should write here z, and then it is equal to x divided by 3. Now it is a very simple linear differential equation, and it can be solved using this method. Okay, to find the integrating factor first, and then put the integrating factor and all these things in this equation, and you will get the final solution in the form of z, and then we'll find y from this equation. Okay, so this was the very famous Bernoulli differential equation. It is very easy to solve. Okay, you just need to learn the methodology, and the rest are just your skills. Okay, so I hope you understood this equation very much, and please pardon me for my mistakes, and let me know if I am wrong, I have done something wrong in doing all these steps. Okay, and thank you. We will in the next, we'll take another very interesting problem of differential equation. Okay, so goodbye, thank you.